Welcome to Bite Size Tutorials, where we break down complex topics into quick, easy to digest lessons. In today's digital world, the importance of password security cannot be overstated. Imagine a small software company that, in its eagerness to launch a new application, stores user passwords directly in its database. Plain and simple. Initially, this seems convenient, allowing users to log in easily. However, one day, disaster strikes as a hacker breaches the database, exposing countless passwords. Realizing their mistake, the development team dives into learning about hashing. They discover that hashing transforms a plain text password into a fixed length string that is virtually impossible to reverse. When a user logs in, the application hashes the entered password and compares it to the stored hash. However, if a hacker gets access to this hash, they cannot use it directly to log in without knowing the original password. Yet, the team learns that the danger doesn't end here. Hackers can use rainbow tables available on the internet provide a quick way to match hashed values to common passwords. They act like a lookup guide, helping attackers easily find the original password from a hash, especially for weak or commonly used passwords. If a hacker obtains a hash, they can potentially find the original password and use it to access other accounts where the user may have reused that password. This is where salting comes in. The developers discover that by adding a unique random string or salt to each password before hashing, they can create completely different hashes even for identical passwords. Salting protects against rainbow table attacks, as each hash now requires a unique computation, making it far more difficult for hackers to crack passwords. When a user creates or updates their password, the system generates a unique salt, combines it with the password, and hashes the result. The hashed password and salt are then stored in the database. During login, the system retrieves the salt for that user, combines it with the entered password, hashes that combination, and compares it to the stored hash. By implementing hashing and salting, the developers enhance the security of their user's password, protecting their data and restoring trust in the application.